Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the project type and Java version so the steps work predictably. Next, get the Jcalendar artifact. Either download the Jcalendar, jar or copy the Maven coordinates com. Toter, Jcalendar 1.4 into your POM. XML. Once you have the jar, open project properties, select libraries, and add the jar to the compile class path. If you use Maven, add the dependency and run mvn clean package so NetBeans fetches it automatically. This makes the classes available to the IDE. Once the jar is in the project class path, add the visual components to the IDE palette. Go to Tools, Palette, then the swing/AWT Components category. Choose Add from Jar, point to your Jcalendar. Jar, and check the component classes like Jcalendar and JDateChooser, then confirm. Make sure you place them into a logical category so you can quickly drag them into GUI forms. After adding, restart the IDE if the palette doesn't refresh. That ensures the new components appear in the GUI Builder tools. Now drag JDateChooser or Jcalendar from the palette onto your JFrame or JPanel and adjust properties such as date format and behavior. When NetBeans generates code, confirm imports like com, toter, calendar, JDateChooser are present. If not, add them manually. Then clean and build the project and run it. If you see class not found exception or no class def found error, make sure the Jcalendar jar is on the runtime class path or included in webinf/lib for web apps. Then rebuild and redeploy to
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.